Alright, so good morning everyone. We are just here now, still in Mestre. We are gonna head out to Venezia. We are gonna hop on a train. Alright, it's freezing today, and let's see how it looks like in Venezia. Let's go for that. So I just got my tickets. I just need to get on my train, and it says there platform 3. Alright, let's go to platform 3. Arrived to Venezia train station. Now I'm just heading on my way. I'm going to San Mark Square, and let's see. Oh, look at this! Look at this! Look at this! Look at this view! It's been years that I haven't been here. The last time I was here was 15 years ago. I was just a small kid, like I was 14 years old back then. Yeah. Time flies. But look at this. All right, let's go to Piazza di San Marco. Let's just hike all the way over there. It says on my phone it's gonna take me at least 30 minutes, let's see, to arrive there. Let's just go for it. So we are here now, close to the Rialto Bridge, which is the bridge over there on that side. Probably the most famous bridge here in Venice. Let's just walk a bit further and I'll show it to you. And this is Rialto Bridge, as you can see. This is one over here. Now we need to cross this bridge in order to go to St. Mark's Square. Look to the carnival costumes here. And here we are arriving to St. Mark's Square. And here we are now in St. Mark's Square, Piazza di San Marco, in Venice. Look at this. This place is amazing. It's really beautiful.
It's alright.
Just look at this. It's really beautiful. So my tour to the Basilica is done. Yeah, it's a really nice place to go inside. Nice visit, like with this kind of Byzantine architecture inside. So if you ever been to an Orthodox church before, a Greek Orthodox church, it's gonna resemble a little bit like that because it's the Byzantine style. It's quite different from the usual Catholic churches, though. But still, it's a Catholic church, but inspired on the Byzantines. Let's just go to a different place now here in Venezia. Let's see what we can find here. Let's just explore a little bit more and just keep on walking. Let's go. Look to these cannoli. These are original from Sicily. Your amazing dessert. So I just got myself a cannolo di cioccolato, which is a cannolo of chocolate. Well, and let's give it a try. Molto delicioso. Delicious. Very good. So I'm just now crossing this bridge here to go to the other side. So I just want to walk all the way towards the basilica on the other side. There's one over there. That side. So I just came all the way from that side. You can see that's St. Mark's Square over there, all the way to this place, and I just walked all the way around. And well, you really have some nice, amazing views here from here, as you can see. Alright, time to probably find a place to eat lunch. Let's go for it.